Welcome to my class. I'm Saffie. Namaste. Forward bends are calming to the nerves, soothing and grounding. Let's sit in hero pose and bring all your awareness on your breathing. Next exhale, release your hands and start to interlace your hands in front of your heart. Next exhale, round your back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Inhale, release your hands, raise your head up and bring your chest out and feel the stretch. And exhale, we'll repeat a few times, round your back and chin to chest. Inhale, release your hands, raise your head up, feel the stretch on your chest, and exhale. Slowly focus on your breathing and slowly release your arms. Inhale, raise your head, feel the stretch at the neck and the chest. Open your heart and exhale. Draw your spine, round your back and feel the stretch. Slowly release your legs, straighten up in front of you. Give your shoulder a few rotations. Next, bring your knee close to yourself and use your index and middle fingers to grab onto your big toe. Inhale and exhale, forward bend. We'll do it a couple more times. Inhale, bring your thigh close to your chest, and exhale, lengthen your leg and full forward bend as you kick your heel forwards. We'll warm up a couple more times until we are ready to get into the full pose. Bring your thigh close to your chest, lengthen your spine, exhale. Slowly slide to the front. Stay for a few breaths. Inhale, exhale, relax your shoulders. Focus on bringing your chest close to your thigh. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Relax your head. Inhale, come back up, lengthen your hand towards the sky, and exhale once again, full forward bend. Keep your eyes looking forward, toes pointing up. Inhale, bring yourself up again, and exhale. Point your toes, lower your forehead, and keep focusing on your breathing. Relax in this position. Adjust your sitting bone until you find a comfortable position to stay here for a few breaths. Focus on your breathing. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Next inhale, release and come back up. Kick your heel, activate your thigh. Exhale, lower yourself to forward bend. Keep sinking down as you exhale. Lower your elbow on the ground. Keep activating your thighs by kicking your heel forward. Inhale, slowly come back up, release. Shake your legs a few times to relax yourself. We're going to come to a comfortable fish pose. Place your hands behind your back and lower your elbow. As you exhale, lower your forehead to the floor to fish pose. Keep your toes pointing to the front. Relax your head. Let the gravity do the work. Keep breathing slowly. When you're ready, next inhale, slowly bring your head up. Firmly press the palm on the floor to bring yourself up. Next inhale, hug your right thigh close to your heart and prepare to cradle pose. Next inhale, lift your right leg up. Place your right foot on your left forearm and right knee onto your right forearms. Keep bringing your right shin close to your chest. Inhale and exhale, release. Inhale, rest your right foot so lightly against your left inner thigh. Next inhale, raise your hand to the sky, lengthen your spine. Exhale, turn the torso side to the left and head to knee forward bend. Keep lining up your navel with the middle of your left foot. Inhale, raise yourself up again. And exhale, use your right hand to reach to the other side of your left sole. Lightly place your left hand onto your left sole to remind yourself to keep activating your legs. Exhale, keep lengthening your spine as you lower your chest to your thigh. Slowly inhale, come back up And exhale, once again, reach to the other side of your left sole. This time, try to lower your forehead as you relax. On your next inhale, slowly come back up, and this time, point your toes. Exhale, lower your chest to your thighs slightly. Twist your torso to the left. And exhale, lower your chest and lower your elbow to the floor. On your next inhale, slowly come back up. Release your legs. Give yourself a little shake. Before we do the other side, let's come to a counterbalance pose, fish pose. Place your hand underneath your hips, and with your elbow on the floor, lower your forehead. Stay in here for a few breaths. Keep pointing your toes and release your stress along your shoulder and your spine. Slowly come back down to the floor. Release your hands. Bring your legs close to your chest and give yourself a big hug. Inhale and roll yourself up back to Tadasana. Inhale this time, lift your left leg up and place your left foot on your right forearm as you hug your thigh close to your chest. Keep breathing in cradle pose. Slowly inhale and exhale. Release your left legs. Bring your sole close to the roots of your right legs. Inhale slowly, adjust your sitting bone. Raise your hand to the sky and exhale. Head to knee, forward bend. Keep thinking about bringing your chest close to your thighs and slowly release your head. Inhale and come back up slowly. We're doing one more time. Exhale, full forward bend. Look forward towards the toes. Inhale, slowly come back up. One more time. Inhale, raise your hand to the sky and exhale, head to the knee, forward bend. Release your head. Slowly inhale, come back up and exhale. This time, reach your left hand over your legs to the outer sole of your right legs. Stay here for one deep, long breath. Exhale, release. Inhale, come back up and exhale. Reach towards the outer side one more time. Release your shoulders. Release your head. Bring your chest close to your thigh. Inhale, slowly come back up. Point your toe and exhale. Drop yourself to the floor. Let your head release and relax on your legs. Release. Inhale, slowly come back up. Deep, long breath and exhale. Release both of your legs. Shake your legs a few times, and then we're going to slowly come down to fish pose, counterbalance pose. Bring your hands underneath your hips. With your elbow on the floor, exhale, drop your head to the floor. Release your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Keep breathing slowly. Inhale, bring your chest to the sky and exhale, drop yourself to the floor. Come back to Shavasana pose. Bring your legs close to your chest and give yourself a big hug. Deep inhale and roll yourself up. Sit with both legs stretched in front. Inhale, fold your left leg at the knees and place the foot right next to your hips. Keep both of your thighs parallel to each other. Inhale, raise your hands to the sky. Keep pressing your legs into your mat as you forward fold. Keep activating your thigh. Inhale, come back up. Point your toe and exhale. Forward fold as you lengthen your arms to the front. Inhale, slowly come back up and point your toe to the sky one more time. Inhale and exhale. Fold forward. Inhale, look to the front, point your toes. Exhale, toes facing the sky and lower your forehead. Relax your shoulders, relax your head. Inhale, slowly come back up with your spine straight and exhale. Release both of your legs back to the front. Give yourself a couple shakes. Readjust yourself. Inhale, fold your right leg at the knees and place your right foot next to your right hips. Inhale, raise your hand to the sky and exhale, forward fold. Release your head, relax your shoulders. Slowly inhale, come back up. Keep your toe pointing to the sky. And exhale, point your toes, forward fold, forearm to the floor. Relax your head. Inhale, come back slowly, point your toe to the sky. Exhale, forward bend, lower your forehead as close to your shin as possible. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, point your toes. Stay here for one more breath. And inhale, slowly come back up. Release both your legs, couple shake. When you're ready, hug yourself and slowly roll to the floor. Use your index and middle finger to grab your toe. Inhale, kick your heel to the sky. Keep your lower back on the floor. Exhale, slowly release your legs back on the floor with control. 2 deep, long breaths. Relax yourself. And on your next inhale, bring your right thigh close to yourself. Then bend both your knees and step on the floor with your arms open widely to the side. Exhale, bring both your knees, twist to your left. And as you twist your spine, look over to your right shoulders. Relax in the spinal twist. Inhale, slowly bring your knee up. And exhale, twist to the right as you look over to the left. Keep your palm pressing on the floor. Inhale, bring both your knee back to the neutral position and twist to the left again as you rotate your head to the right. Next inhale, come back to neutral and exhale, twist to the right, head look over to your left shoulders. Exhale, lengthen your body, hands over your head, full body stretch, point your toes. And exhale, relax yourself. One more time, inhale, stretch your body, and exhale, release back to Shavasana. Find the most comfortable position, palm facing forward, legs slightly open. Relax your shoulders, and you can stay here as long as you want. Namaste.